Okay. Psalms 127, verse 1 to 5. Go! Unless the Lord builds the house, the builders labor in vain.
Unless the Lord watches over the city, the guards stand watch in vain. In vain you rise early and stay up late, toiling for food to eat, for he grants sleep to those he loves. Children are a heritage from the Lord, offspring a reward from him.
Like
Arrows in the hands of a warrior are children born in one's youth. Blessed is the man whose quiver is full of them. They will not be put to shame when they contend with their opponents in court.
Proverbs 22, verse 5 to 6. In the
The paths of the wicked are snares and pitfalls, but those who would preserve their lives stay far from them. Children, off on the way they should go, and even when they are old, they will not turn from it.
Proverbs 29, verse 17 to 18. Discipline
Your children, and they will give you peace. They will bring you the delights you desire. Where there is no revelation, people cast off restraint. But blessed is the one who heeds wisdom's instruction.
Amen.
Amen. To God be the glory.
Oh, shelter of grace, guide me through each day. In your mercy I'll find my way. Lost in your